In here are the pre-planted hanging baskets. If you didn't get round to creating your own hanging baskets, or you just want the absolute perfect displays, this is how you get it. Now, we always show you the beautiful hanging baskets, but what we really want to show you is the thought, care and attention that goes into packaging these to make sure they arrive to you in the perfect condition. Now, when you open up the box, what you will find is that there is actually an insert inside the box. You may not realize, but this is going to help you to get these out without causing any damage. If you go to lift it and it's not moving, I want to point out that there are bamboo canes in here. Now, this provides extra stability to the plant, to the pots, holding it nice and secure. I've already removed 3 of them. That's the final one. Now it means we can easily remove the insert with the hanging baskets inside, and then we can go ahead and undo this part. So now we've removed the inner sleeve from the main box, you'll find there's a bit of tape that's holding this together. So take the piece of tape off, and then all we're going to do is unfold these sections. And now we can reveal the absolutely gorgeous hanging baskets inside, which means that we can easily then remove these without doing any damage to the plants. What you will notice is that there is a plastic sheet underneath here. What that's doing is stopping the box from getting soaking wet, because obviously these are given a good water before they leave the nursery. Inside the box, you will find that there are the hanging bits for the hanging baskets. We'll come to those in a second. But the first thing I need to point out is that there are retaining straps on each of the pots. So we need to remove those. Pair of scissors, pair of secateurs. Just get in there and snip those away and gently remove those and get rid of them. Now, the pots could just be left as pots where the plants will tumble and trail over the edges, but you have been provided with the hanging bits which click into place. So look for the indents around the edge of the pot here, take the hanging part, and then all you do is click that into place. Do that with the 3 sections on both pots and you're ready to hang them up. So there we have it, 2 beautiful hanging baskets ready to give you their display all summer. I hope we've been able to show you the care and attention that goes into packaging these perfectly so they arrive to you in the perfect condition. So why not grab your hanging baskets today?